Hello, today I'm going to show you how to find a book through MNLink. So if you're having trouble finding a book through MNLink, this site connects all the libraries within Minnesota to the system, and you can get any book you like. So first thing we're going to do is come up here and log in. For this, you're going to enter in your 14-digit code on the back of your library card, and then enter in your PIN, which by default is going to be the last four numbers of your library card. Then you come over, hit login, and here you're able to see any requests you have out. I currently don't have any, so let's go search for a few. So over here, the search MNLink tab comes back to this page. Now we're going to enter in Harry Potter and the Sorcerer's Stone. Hit search, and we're going to see that there's 217 results in the MNLink system. So as I come down, I can see, since I'm looking for Harry Potter and the Sorcerer's Stones, this first result isn't actually what I'm looking for. So I'm going to scroll down. Here we go. So I'm going to select this copy, come over here and request item. And now that I've already logged in, the only thing I need to do is to make sure that my pickup location is set at the library I want. So I'm going to select this one to Bemidji. Hit request, and there we go. This can take a while, as the library that first responds to this quest could be as far away as Winona or as close as Bagley. Doesn't matter where it's coming from, it's who responds to it first. Alright, so let's go back and check my account. There's the book request we just put in. So quick and easy way to find a book if it's not in your local library system, but likely be in the greater libraries of Minnesota.